Hello everyone, welcome back to Learnix channel. Today we are going to learn about MS Excel. Even if you have zero knowledge about Excel, don't worry. We will start from the basics and move step by step. Let's begin with the introduction to Excel. So first, what is MS Excel? MS Excel is a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft. It is mainly used to store data, perform calculations, and analyze information. For example, we can use Excel to prepare mark lists, attendance sheets, or expense reports. Simply, Excel helps us to manage numbers and data very easily. Now you might ask, why should we learn Excel? Excel is used in almost every office, company, and organization. Many jobs require basic Excel knowledge, especially for freshers. If you know Excel, your chances of getting a job will increase. That's why Excel is a very important skill for your career. Excel is used in many areas. Students use Excel to maintain marks and attendance. Offices use Excel for salary calculations and reports. Businesses use Excel for budgeting and data analysis. So whether you are a student or a job seeker, Excel will be very useful for you. Now let's understand some basic Excel terms. A workbook is the Excel file itself. For example, when you save a file as salary.xlsx, that file is called a workbook. One workbook can contain multiple worksheets inside it. A worksheet is a single sheet inside a workbook. By default, Excel gives Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. All the data entry work, like typing names or numbers, is done inside worksheets. You can also rename worksheets based on your work. Next, let's talk about rows. Rows run horizontally from left to right. Rows are identified using numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on. In Excel, we have more than 1 million rows available. Columns run vertically from top to bottom. Columns are identified using letters like A, B, C and so on. After reset, columns continue as AA, AB and so on. Columns help us organize data in a proper structure. A cell is the place where a row and a column meet. For example, when column A and row 1 meet, the cell name is A1. All data in Excel is entered into cells. Every cell has a unique address. This is called Excel interface. It contains different parts like ribbon, tabs, quick access toolbar, formula bar, status bar. Let's understand each one. The ribbon is the main menu bar in Excel. It is located at the top of the screen. All tools and comments are available in the ribbon. The ribbon is divided into different tabs based on its functions. Tabs are sections inside the ribbon. Some important tabs are Home, Insert, Formulas, and Data. The Home tab is used most of the time for formatting and editing. As beginners, you will mostly work with the Home tab. The Quick Access toolbar is located at the top left corner. It contains commonly used options like Save, Undo, and Redo. Using this toolbar helps us save time while working in Excel. The formula bar shows the content or formula of the selected cell. Whenever you type a formula, you can see it here. The status bar is at the bottom and shows information like sum, average, and count of selected cells. Excel files are saved in different formats. The most common format is .xlsx, which is the latest format. The .xls format is an old format used in earlier versions of Excel. Always use .xlsx for your work. Let's quickly revise what we learned today. Excel is a spreadsheet software. A workbook is an Excel file and a worksheet is a sheet inside the file. Rows are horizontal, columns are vertical, and cells are where rows and columns meet. We also learned about the Excel interface. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until this is Arthy signing off. Bye bye.